Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn prompts into a graphics using Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. First, open your Adobe Firefly app and then on the home page tap text to image, and after that enter your prompt like this example here. And after that tap generate and wait for the Adobe Firefly to generate a four variations of your image. And once you're happy with the result, you can now download your image. Just tap and hold the image and choose download or save to device. Pro tip for the better result, use adjectives plus subjects and specify the styles like Pixar 3D style, digital painting, minimalist, flat styles, and more. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.